One second.
Good morning.
Good afternoon, children.
Good morning, ma'am. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. How are you all?
I'm fine.
Fine, dear. I am fine. Thank you. What about you all?
I'm fine. I'm fine.
Yes. Yesterday I sent a homework. No, not yesterday. Day before yesterday on Wednesday.
I have
Completed.
done it. Yes.
Subtraction. And what about the other one?
Completed.
Yes.
I have been done.
Subtraction and the estimation was also there. Not done. Yes. Yes. Okay. 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 Good. Good. Yes. Good, children. Whether it is tough for you or it is easy?
It's easy.
Easy. Estimation as well as regrouping, everything is easy for you, right?
Yes.
Is it? Okay. Yes. Okay. So, what about the tables? Shall we start with the tables or direct? Okay. We will start with the tables. Then we will move to the workbook problems. Okay. Table of 6.
Ma'am, can I?
Wait. Any new child? Let me search a new child. Most of the children are same. Wait. Let me. Afif, table of 6. Afif,
Yes, ma'am.
table of 6.
6 into 1, 6.
Oh,
6 into 2,
yes.
12.
Hmm.
6 into 3, 18.
Yes.
Into 4,
Hmm.
24.
6 into 4.
5.
6 into 4 is?
6 into 6, 36.
Dear, 6 into 4 is what? I did not hear. 6 into 4?
4, 24.
Yes. 6 into 5?
6 into 5, 30.
Yes. 6 into 6?
36.
Okay. 6 into 7?
6 into 7, 42.
Yes.
6 into 8,
Yes.
48.
Yes.
6 into 9, 54.
Yes.
And 10,
Uh,
60.
Okay, good. Good, Afif. Now, table of 7. Just raise your hands. If those who know the table, just raise your hand. I will select from them. Table of 7. Table of 7. Abhinav, table of 7.
Yes, ma'am. 7 into 1, 7.
Yes.
Into 2, 40.
Hmm.
Into 3, 21.
Yes.
7 into 4, 28.
Yes.
5, 35.
Uh,
Into
6.
6, 7 into 7,
7 into 6. 7 into 6.
7 into 6, 42.
42. Yes. 7 into 7.
49.
Yes.
8, 56.
Yes.
9, 63.
Yes.
10, 70.
Okay. Good. Good, dear. Now table of 8. Table of 8. Anam, table of 8.
Yes, ma'am. Table of 8. 8 into 1, 8. 8 into 2, 16. 8 into 3, 8 into 3, 24. 8 into 4, 32. 8 into 5, 40. 8 into 6, 48. 8 into 7, 56. 8 into 8, 34. 8 into 9, 72. 8 into 10, 80.
Okay. Good. Good. Now Now table of 9.
Thank you, ma'am.
Table of 9. Austin, table of 9.
9 into 1. 9.
Yes.
9 into 2. 18.
Uh,
9 into 3. 27.
yes.
9 into 4. 36.
Mm.
9 into 5.
Devdaksh, mute.
54.
Yes, 9 into 5, 45. 9 into 6.
54.
9 into 6, 54. Yes. 9 into 7.
9 into 7. 63.
Yes. 9 into 8.
92.
Yes.
9 into 9. 81.
Uh.
9 into 10. 90.
Okay, good. Okay, dears. So let us move to the workbook problems. All of you take workbook part 1. All are ready with your workbook, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, take page number 39. Page number 39. I will share the page now.
Ma'am, term 2 or term 1?
Term 1. Subtraction is in term 1. Workbook 1.
Ma'am, which page?
39. This is the page number 39. Did you take?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we will start from the first one. Abel Verghese. Abel, first one. Rounding of 42 to the nearest tens. We get dash. Rounding of 42 to the nearest 10.
45.
How you will round it off, my dear? What is the method of rounding it off?
Ma'am, can I? Ma'am, can I?
Abel, have you done the homework?
Yes, ma'am.
Then how did you do it? Round off 42. Suppose the number is given 42 and you have to round it off. How you will do it?
Ma'am.
Please. What you will do over there? What are the rules to be followed to estimate the number?
Yes.
Huh? What is in your mouth? What are you chewing now? How you will estimate it? 42 is the number given. And you are saying that you have done the homework by yourself. Devdaksh?
Yes, ma'am.
Round it off, dear. 42 is the number given.
42 minus
Huh?
10.
Estimate the number 42.
Ma'am. 42. 2. Ma'am, 0.
Underline 2. Underline 2.
Underline 2. Underline 2. It is comes to the first rule.
Yes, it comes under first rule. 2 is smaller than 5.
0.
Okay. So in place of 2, you have to put 0.
No changes.
No changes will be there. Okay, so the answer will
40
be
is the answer.
40. Put a tick mark on B, write 40 over there and B. Good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Abu Tahir, second one.
Your voice is breaking.
Abu Tahir, second one.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 90.
90. How will you get it? You have to underline 1. 1 is lesser than 5. So no changes will be there in the tens place. You have to make the ones place 0 and it will be 9. 90. Put a tick mark on B, write B here. Mitra, third one. Mitra. What happened? You cannot hear me?
Ma'am, can I?
Mitra.
Ma'am.
Yes, third one, Mitra.
Underline 0.
Yes, underline 0.
That's first rule.
Yes, it comes under the first rule because 0 is lesser than 5.
No changes will be
Huh?
there.
No changes, no changes. 0 will be 0 and 6 will be 6 itself. So the answer is C. Okay, good. Now we will move to the fourth one. Aldrin, fourth one.
Yes, ma'am.
Fourth one, dear. The difference between 77 and 23 is about dash. About means you have to estimate it. And you have to find out the answer of subtraction.
54.
What do you have to do first? You have to estimate the number 77. How you will estimate it? How you will estimate the number 77? You have to underline 7, isn't it?
Yes.
Then,
Right.
under which rule it goes?
Up.
Huh?
Second rule.
Second rule. 7 is greater than 5. So what is to be done over there?
0.
0. 7 has to be made 0. And what about ones place 7 has to be made 0. What about the tens place 7? Don't take this much long, my dear. Daksha. Daksha. The ones place 7 has to be made 0. Then what is to be done, Daksha?
No changes.
Why?
Changes. 7 is
Daksha, I am asking to Daksha. I want the answer from Daksha.
Ma'am,
Yes.
7 is greater than 2.
7 is greater than 2. That means you have to check whether the number is greater than 2 or not. That is a rule we wrote. Daksha, what are the 2 rules of estimation?
5 is greater than, no changes will be.
If the number is lesser than.
In 1.
Okay, she is having a net problem also. Aradhya.
7 is greater than 5. We put plus 1.
Yes, 7 is greater than 5. So you have to add 1 to the tens place. 7 plus 1.
8.
8. So 80 and the second number will be?
6 is lesser than, no changes has to become.
Yes, so it will be?
20.
20. Now you have to find out the difference. 80 minus 20.
0 plus 0, 0.
0 minus 0, 0.
0 minus 0.
8 minus 2.
6.
Yes.
60.
So 60 is the final answer. So put a tick mark on B. Write 60 over there and B as the answer. Okay, good. Now Prarthana. Prarthana, fifth one.
First, we have to underline 9.
Yes.
It's come under second rule.
Yes.
And ones place 9, we have to make it 0.
Yes.
Then we have to add 1.
Yes, because 9 is greater than 5.
5.
So you have to add 1, it will become 70.
7.
Yes. Now second number.
Second number. It comes under first rule.
Yes, 4 is lesser than 5.
Then we have to make 0.
Yes, we have to make the ones place 0. And what
Then
about 2?
No changes.
No changes has to be made because 4 is lesser than 5. So it will be 20. So 70 minus 20.
0 minus 0, 0.
Yes.
7 minus 2, 5.
Yes.
50.
50. So the answer is
It's
A.
50.
Good, Prarthana.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Next one, Joan.
Yes, ma'am. First, we have to estimate the numbers.
Yes.
Underline the 1.
Oh,
The 1 comes under the first rule. So
yes.
there will be no changes.
Okay, good. So make
Put
it 0 and
the 2 will
20.
be itself. 20.
Yes.
Underline the 1
Oh,
and it comes under the first rule. So there will be
yes. So
no
1 has to be
changes.
made 0.
And 1 have to be 0 and it will be 10.
It will be 10. 20 minus 10.
Ma'am, it's 0 minus 0 is 0.
Yes.
2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1.
Yes.
So it will be 10.
Okay. So C. Good. Good, Joan.
Ma'am.
Now Devanandan. Devanandan. 7.
Yes, ma'am.
Estimate a difference between 75 and 45 is dash.
5 minus 5, 0.
Yes. Okay. 5 minus 5, 0. Whether you have to estimate, first you estimate the numbers.
Ma'am. 5 is equal to 5.
Yes.
So add 1 to the tens place.
Okay.
80.
80. Then 45.
5 is equal to 5. So
Yes.
add 1 to tens place.
Okay. So it will be
50.
50. So 80 minus 50.
0 minus 0, 0.
Yes.
2.
8 minus 5.
3, 3.
Yes, 3. 8 minus 5 is 3. So 30. Okay, good. Now move to the next one. Next page, page number 40. Stain.
Yes, ma'am.
Question number 8. The
Yes, ma'am.
difference between 65 and 45 is. Okay, Rida. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. First rule.
First rule. First underline 5. 5
And
is under the first rule.
can you show the last page? 39th page.
Lakshmika, it is page number 40 now. 39 is over. Stain. I have underlined 5. Now what is to be done?
Then 50.
5 has to be made 0. Okay.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Then
Add 6.
add 6 with
With plus 1.
plus 1. Yes. So what will be the number? Why you are adding 1? Why you are adding 1? Stain. What is the reason why we are adding 1 to the tens place?
5 is equal 5.
5 is equal to 5. So we have to add 1 to the tens place. It will be 70. And in 45 will be?
5 will be 0.
Yes.
And add 4.
4 plus 1. Because 5 is equal to 5. You have to add 1. Okay. 70 minus 50.
0 minus 0, 0.
Yes. 7 minus 5.
7 minus 5, 2.
2. 20. Okay, Stain. Good.
Yes.
Now next one. Javak. 9th one. 9.
92 and
Yes.
43.
Yes.
First rule is 2.
2 underline 2. Make it 0. Whether we have to add 1 to the tens place?
9.
9 will be 9 because 2 is lesser than 5. Okay. Second
5.
number.
34.
It is 43.
43.
Yes.
First rule.
First rule. 3 is lesser than 5. So no changes has to be made. It will be 40. Now 90 minus 40 is?
2.
90 minus 40. 0 minus 0 will be 0. And 9 minus 4.
5.
5. So the answer is 50. Okay, good. Aiden.
Yes, ma'am.
10th one. Estimate the difference between 64 and 37. 64 minus 37. Estimate it, then subtract it.
Ma'am, the 4 is less than.
4 is lesser than 5. So, whether we have
No
to make any
changes.
changes? No changes. It will be 60
3.
minus.
The 7 is more than.
So,
Plus 1. Ma'am, plus 1.
plus 1. So, what will be the answer? What will be the estimated number?
40.
40. Okay. Now, 60 minus 40 will be?
20.
Okay. Now next. Genesia, question number 11.
Yes, ma'am.
Question number 11. Estimate the difference between 37 and 31.
7 is the greater than 5.
Yes.
So add 1.
Okay, so the estimated number will be 40 minus
30.
30. 1 is lesser than 5, so estimated number will be 30. 40 minus 30?
10.
10. Okay, good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, Advait.
Yes, ma'am.
Estimate the difference between 92 and 77. 92 minus 77.
2 is smaller than 5.
Okay.
That way 90.
So no changes has to be made in the tens. So it will be 90 minus 77.
7 is bigger than 5.
Yes.
That way 80.
Okay.
The answer is 10.
Okay. Good. Now 13th one. Ujjwal.
Yes, ma'am.
13th question. Estimate the difference between 527 minus 236. Estimate the numbers and then find out the difference.
Underline one space. 7 is greater than 5.
Yes.
Add the 1 in the 10 space.
Okay. So the number will become
330. 530.
530. 530. Yes. Minus
Yes. 300 and
236 is the question. I have underlined 6 now.
6 is greater than 3. 5.
So you have to
Put
add 1.
That is space.
So the estimated number will be
40.
240. Okay, now you have to subtract it.
0 plus 0 minus 0.
0. 3 minus 4. You cannot do directly, isn't it?
But the 3.
Yes. So you can do it here. 530 minus 240. 0 minus 0 will be 0. 3 minus 4 cannot be done directly. So cut 3. Okay, then?
And 5.
Cut 5 and take one number and make it 13. In place of 5, the new number will be
4.
4. Now here, 13 minus 4.
7, 8, 9.
9. Good. 4 minus 2.
2.
2. 290 is the final answer. Good. Good, Ujjwal. So next one I am giving as a homework. 14th one. 15th one. 15th B. is a homework for you, and A we will do now. 707 and 263. Turn over the page, children. Space is given for writing the answer on the next page. Put a line and separate it, and the question is 707 minus 236. $263. Now Sriveni,
Yes, ma'am.
707 estimated dear fastly.
We need to underline 7.
Yes.
7 is greater than 5.
Yes.
We need to put plus
1 to the tens place, on the tens place. So the number will be? So the estimated number will become Sriveni.
1.
So tell me the number that I have to write over there.
1.
Only 1 is to be written.
700. 100.
700.
70.
700.
17.
17.
Ma'am, 710.
The ones place has to be made 0. Isn't it, Sriveni?
Yes.
Yes. So 710 minus next number. First, 3 is lesser than 5. You have to make it 0.
Yes.
So what is to be done? What will be the estimated number?
260.
Yes, 260. Now you have to subtract it. 710 minus 200. Yes, 0 minus 0, 0. 1 minus 6. 1 minus 6.
1 minus 6. 5.
Can you do it? From 1, can you fold 6?
Yes.
From 1, can you fold 6? The upper number is 1. Fast, it is already 220.
No, ma'am.
No. So what is to be done?
We need to
Regroup, isn't it?
yes.
1 has to be made
0.
Okay, I'm giving it as a regrouping is needed. It is already 220. I'm giving it as a homework. Do it, children. We will meet tomorrow. Okay. Thank you, children. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you.